Morning children, welcome to today's class. Before going to today's class, yesterday 79, 80 problems are homework. 79th problem once you check it. 7 by 12 and 9 by 11. 7 by 12 and 9 by 11. Three fractions between them. So here which formula we have to use? Here a by b is equal to 7 by 12, c by d is equal to 9 by 11. So a plus c by b plus d. A 7, c 9 by 12 plus 11. 7 plus 9 how much? 16 by 23. 16 by 23. Next, if you take a by b 7 by 12 and c by d, now take this one. What we get answer here? 16 by 23. Then a plus c by b plus d. A means 7, b 16 by 12 plus 23. How much you will get? 16 plus 7. 23 by 35. 23 by 35. So again, if you take now c by d is 9 by 11, now that one you take a by b 9 by 11 and c by d same this answer 16 by 23 if you take. So a plus c by b plus d. So a plus c how much? Here a how much? 9. 9 plus 16 by 11 plus 23. 9 plus 16 how much, Nana? 16 plus 9. 25 by 34. 25 by 34. So which option is correct? See. 16 by 23, 23 by 35, 25 by 34. Which option is correct? Option D. 29th one, option D is correct. Next, understood now? You get result first one, or you take again first one and first rational number. You get one rational number, again second rational number and same result. If you take, you get a third rational number. So 79th one, option D is correct. Next, 80. Question number 80. Look at question number 80. 3 by 8. 3 by 8. 9 by 14. 19 by 28. See, 3 by 8 convert into decimal. What you will get, Nana? 8 3s are 8 4s are 32 more. So 8 3s are 24. 6 0. 8 7s are 56. 440. 8 5s are. So 0.375. Next, if you convert into 14, 9 by 14, 14 with 14 9 divide means 0.0. 14 5s are and 14 6 are 84. 6 again 14 4s are 56. 4 enough 0.64. Next, 19 by 28. With 28, if you divide 19, how much you will get? 0.4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 28 into 4, 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 112 only. So if you see 6 times 6 8s are 48, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 4, 16. If you see 7 times 7 8s are 56, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 196 more. So 6 times 168. 2. 10 minus 8. Here 8 minus 6, 2. 22. 220. So again if you see 8 times, 8 8s are 64. 8 2s are 16 plus 6 how much? 16 plus 6 22. 224 more. So 7 times if you take 196. So this one 0.67. Now if you arrange this one, now here see these are arranged in which order, Nana? 0.37, 0.64, 0.67. So it is arranged in ascending order. Ascending order, and also compared by less than sign. We are writing this one in ascending order. How we will write this one? See. 0.375 is less than 0.64 is less than 0.67, like this now. So for first one, option P and S. P and S. Next one, second one, 11 by 12, 13 by 16, 17 by 24. So 11 by 12, if you convert into decimal, 12 9s are 108, 2, 0, again 12 ones are 12, 8. So 0.91. So 11 by 12 value how much we get? 0.91. Next 13 by 16. With 16 if you divide 13, 0. How many times? 16 7s are 112. 16 8s are 128. 2 0 1s are 16 4s. So 13 by 16 you get 0.81. Next you can take next one 24 17. 17 with 24 0.0. How many times if you see? 24 7s are 7 4s are 28. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2 16. So 7 times 168 2 0. 20 is not possible. Again you have to take 0. So 0.17 by 24 value 0.7. So now here these are arranged in descending order. See 91 0.91 is greater than 0.81 is also greater than 0.7. So second one Q and R compared by greater than sign and arranged in descending order. Next year in 83rd question see. In 83rd question, see which rational numbers given here? 11 by 14, 7 by 10, 3 by 7. 11 by 14, 7s are 98. So 3 0, 2s are 28. So 0.72. Next this one 0.7. 7 by 10 decimal number now, so 0.7. So 3 by 7 means 7 4s are 28. 2 20. 7 2s are 14. 6. So 0.42. So now these are arranged in which order? Ascending order, descending order, descending order and greater. So for this also which one correct? Q and R. So next last one 7 by 12, 17 by 24, 11 by 15. So 12, 7. 12 6 are 72. So 12 5s are 60. 10 0. 12 8s are 96. So here 7 by 12 you get 0.58. Next 24 17 0.0. So what you will get, how many times? If you see 7 4s are 28, 7 2s are 40, 168 2. So this value, if you take 0.17 by 24 means 0.70. Next one 15 11, 15 6 are 90, 20 200, sorry 20, 15 7s are 105, 5 0, 15 3s are. So this value 0.73. 11 by 15 value 0.73. So now these are arranged in ascending order. So P and S. P and S. Option A is correct. So next we have to discuss next topic. In next class we will discuss next topic.